In this chapter, we'll discuss about Jan Dhan accounts. You might have heard a lot about Jan Dhan accounts in the newspapers. It's a focus area of the government, and it's also directly linked to banks, so you should be knowing this as a future banker. PMJDY, that is the official name of the scheme. It is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, and it is a scheme for financial inclusion. Account can be opened under this Jan Dhan account at any bank branch or even by business correspondence, which we didn't discuss as yet. We'll discuss later. So this Jan Dhan accounts can be opened either at bank branches or business correspondence, and can be opened with even zero balance. So we did not discuss about KYC and all, but to open a bank account, normally you require some documents to establish your identity and address, like Aadhaar card or PAN card. Some documents are available. They're known as officially valid documents, OVD. Okay, officially valid documents. But sometimes some people will not be having these documents. As per government rules, banks cannot deny them opening of bank accounts. Even if they do not have these documents, they can open accounts. That account is known as a small account. Okay, small account is opened on the basis of self-attested photograph. The applicant will be putting his self-attested photograph and signature in the presence of bank officials. Those accounts will have some limitations. For example, the total credits in a year cannot exceed 1 lakh. The total withdrawals in a month cannot exceed 10,000, and there's some restrictions, but still an account can be opened. And such accounts usually will be valid for only 1 year, 12 months, and after that they will be allowed to continue provided the account holder submits proof that they have applied for this officially valid documents. Okay, once they have applied, then they can continue for another 12 months. So what are the benefits on the Jan Dhan accounts is like interest will be paid on deposits, there will be accidental coverage up to 1 lakh, they can be maintained with zero balance, there is a life cover of 30,000 payable on the death of the beneficiary. Beneficiaries will get direct benefit transfer, such as we discussed NREGA schemes, and overdraft facility can also be provided after 6 months if the account operations are satisfactory, and various other facilities. Okay, they'll be having access to pension insurance products, and the claim under personal accidental insurance under PMJDY will be payable if the RuPay card holder has performed minimum one successful financial or non-financial transaction at any bank branch. Okay, and overdraft facility will be provided preferably to the woman in the household. So one question that is being asked these days in bank interviews is like, how many Jan Dhan accounts are currently opened? So as of now the figure is around 28 crores, but please update yourself with the latest figures. Okay, this you can easily obtain in the internet. Around 28 crores of Jan Dhan accounts are open. So the question that you have to be prepared in this chapter are, what is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? Can PMJDY accounts be opened with zero balance? Yes. What is a small account? We discuss. What are the limitations in small accounts? We discuss. What is the maximum amount aggregate credits in a small account? That is 1 lakh. What is the maximum amount aggregate withdrawals in a month? 10,000. What is the maximum amount balance allowed at any point of time in savings in these small accounts? At any point of time, the maximum balance that can be allowed is not more than 50,000. Then what are some special benefits under this scheme we discussed, and how many Jan Dhan accounts are currently opened?